What is up guys, welcome to a brand new video of Absolute Digital. In this video I will show you how you can show your listening to Spotify on Discord. So let's start this video by launching the Discord app. When the app launches, tap on the three bars on top left corner and then tap on your profile icon on bottom right corner. Here you will see connections, tap on that and then tap on add on top right corner. Now select Spotify and a browser window will open. On this window, you have to log into your Spotify account, and your Spotify account will be connected to your Discord account. Now tap Done on top left corner. Now you have to enable display on profile. Now play a song on Spotify. Then open Discord again. Now on your server inbox, swipe left and tap on your name. And you'll be able to see listening to Spotify under your name or beside your name. And that is how you can show that you are listening to Spotify on Discord. So if you find this video helpful, then do drop a like and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one.